It's upside down.
Okay, what we got here? Oh, from everybody. Oh boy. I hope it's what I think it is. Drink it up.
What's up?
Ow. Oh my God, you got it, huh? Oh, I'm so happy. Wow.
You're in the big time now.
Big time.
Yeah?
Little Italy Books is big time.
No kidding. Oh boy.
Here's scissors. Let me help you.
Can you open this for me?
The fly just flew off Dalton.
You didn't get more than peanuts. And who put this out? Oh, easy. Oh, man.
Wow.
Oh, look at this lady. Look at this lady. Oh, this is something. Oh,
Little Italy Books is big time.
Big time.
well, come in and
Here, open it like
does
this.
this Scott say come
It's
off?
just the cover.
Don't,
There
whoa,
you go.
Whoa. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
Holy Toledo.
That's amazing.
That is amazing.
Oh my God.
That is awesome.
Oh.
It was worth getting up for, huh?
Merry Christmas! Thanks for joining the family.
Worth interrupting your slumber.
Yeah, I'd say so. Should I take this one?
Might be a dream. Yeah, that's just the cover on it.
Be a dream. You better pinch yourself.
Maybe you're dreaming right now.
I think I am.
So all the software I think is
Is where?
it's in was in that. Oh, here it is. Your
Okay,
manual and your
let me see
software.
what it's like.
So you can load it all up tomorrow when you're ready. Just don't throw any of this stuff out until you know what it is.